Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to part 2. I just finished film phono. By now, you guys already see that video, but we just did a eat breakfast and a chit chat with her. So now we are in the kitchen and we're gonna get the ball rolling. So on the stove, we have the pot with the gungo, and we put on the pot for start the beef. The chicken are gonna be the last thing we fry. So on the menu is curry beef, fried chicken, rice and gungo, and then Jason soon come peel the potato for me to do the potato salad, and we just go, I'm gonna keep me company while I cook. I put some oil in the pot for the beef, for burn the curry. So normally I would just chop up some garlic and burn it with the curry, but because I have the green season, I am going to use the green season along with the curry. These are the best curry, better pack. And so the gungo here, guys, a boil. So it's the green gungo, and I woke up early this morning and put it on because I wanted to get it out the way. So you can call it said finish. I'm gonna put in some green season, and you guys already know how I made the green season. And before I cover it up, I am going to let it fry a bit. Then after, I'll cover it up to produce its own juice. So I'm going to cover it up now to produce its own juice, and I'm going to work on the coconut to season up this gungo. So let us get right into that. Alright guys, so I went ahead and add the coconut milk in it. So now I'm going to season it up. I'm going to go back in with some of this green season that I made. Some butter. I love this butter in rice and peas chiffon. Some pimento seed and some salt. Not too much. I'm gonna taste and see if it needs some more. Ooh, it smells so good. And I still didn't add any water to the beef as yet. I'll check on it shortly. So let us taste this to see what it needs. Could take a little bit more salt. Alright, let's give that a good stir and see if it's good now. The green seasoning of this make it taste so good. I can taste the flavor. Yeah, perfect. That is it. We're gonna make that boil, and then we'll add our rice. The flavors from that taste really nice. And now we're going see what's going with the beef. See that? How much water that produced by itself? Love that. That's why I never did add no water. I'm sure no. So I'm not going to put back this in the fridge yet because I'm going to use it throughout the whole cooking just to give back the pot some flavor. This green season, it helps with, you know, not cutting up any scallion and thyme and pepper and all of them stuff there because everything is in this. I'm just going to go ahead and wash the rice until the water is clear. So my camera battery died. I went ahead and add some more green season to it. So this is what we're working with. And the water measurement is good. So that's that. We're gonna check on the beef, see what's happening. So the water is ready and we're gonna add it to it, babe. Right. So that's that. And I add that much water because if you don't know beef, you don't know the whole cooking process.
Finish, babe.
add no egg to the potato salad because Jason no eat egg. Now I'm gonna add some garlic. It gives it a nice flavor. You guys can try it. So not only is the garlic gonna boil out, you know, in the water to give the potato that nice garlic taste, but the garlic is gonna get soft and you can crush it in the potato. Just when you cook large amount of rice, it always won't spoil. So I didn't worry, but it came out so good. I just go and make it steam down some more. I just fluff it. Hey, me I go on with myself, you know. Could I rice shelly and nice. Love that. Love that. All of the vegetables that when me peel, I go put them in a one bag so I can give them away for goat. Alright guys, so let us work on the mashed potato. I have a mixed vegetable, sweet corn, black pepper and mayo. Went ahead and rinse off the mixed vegetable and the sweet corn. I'm just gonna shake it out some more so no water is in it. You see, if you don't want your mashed potato to be soggy, you have to ensure that the water is properly dried out before you mash it. Guys, so I'm going to gently add the mayo in the potato before I add the mixed vegetable, just like this. Nothing too much. Not gonna add any powder season to it either. Remember the garlic what I did add when I boil it, that's enough flavor for it, and those garlic are in it as well. I crush them in it. So I'm gonna add the mixed vegetable now. Some black pepper. Then I am gonna fold that in. That is it for the potato salad. I not even did have to taste it and toot my one arm, but it always turn out good. I always make it and it turn out perfect. You see the garlic when I add in the water, when it did a boil, you see that? You guys need to try it. So that's all the flavor that I want for it. I just feel as if when you add the powder season in it, you taste the powdery salty taste and it dissolve properly. So when you make the garlic boil out in the water and then it gets soft, you can crush it in the potato. Tastes really good. But I'm gonna make Jason do a little taste test. So come babe. Sun shine right in my eye.
Feels good.
Okay, so this is it. I put it in the fridge. So my camera battery dead, the two battery them dead. So now I continue from my phone. Anyways, quick update. Rice done cook. Just put on the pot with the cooking oil for fry the chicken so the oil are hot. And the beef I go and cook down. I go prep the veggies for going on the beef. And I go season up the flour for fry the chicken. So we are going and I go prep some garlic for putting in the oil. I'm not going to put no scotch bonnet, but just going to put a piece of garlic because the chicken well marinated in the green season. So I'm not going to go in the oil. Just the flour for season up and the piece of garlic for go and burn in the oil just to give it some flavor. And that's it. Me I go on with myself guys, and the potato salad done make. The raw veg done make. Yeah, go on, clap me guys, clap me. Comment some clap emoji in the comment section. So this is the chicken, well marinated guys. Alright, so we need some flour. I feel like I'm gonna put the flour in this. So I'm gonna show me how to. A long time I have one up on the counter, so I must episode on the person now. Guys, sorry for disturbing now. We soon get back into the video. But me I edit the video for you right now. And I realize that I never get a chance to record and telling us that the gas did finish. When I look right behind me, oh the gas are burn. Yeah, it did finish right after that. So I have to stop and change the gas. But why the gas always finish on a Sunday or when some big cooking are going on? Some holiday? Suspicious. I'm going to season up the flour with some Maggi. I think them say I saw you have to do it, you know. Ooh. Who did know this? Okay, so we're gonna put the chicken for fry now. May I prep the veggies now for the beef. And probably I wonder how the beef takes so long for cook, but I don't like when my meat pressure. I love when it just take time slow cook on the stove. Hence why everything finish leave it. Alright, so I'm gonna wash them here, put them here in the bag for the something for the goat. Now I'm gonna do them too small. It will be a bit chunky. I remember I have the green season, so I now cut up no scallion nor thyme. I could just go in back with some more green season. Right? Alright, make us see what I'm going in it. Ooh, looks good. Test piece to see if it cook. Ooh, perfect. So we're gonna add our veggies to it, and then we're gonna go in back with a little bit more green season. If I did cut up like scallion and thyme and sweet pepper, it would have looked prettier, but I don't know I'm gonna use the green season, so now I'm gonna have that prettiness there, other than the Irish and something. I am finally done. This is it, the raw veg, the potato salad, the fried chicken, ooh, the rice and gungo air, the rice shelly, you know, man. And the beef, I went ahead and add a broad bean to it, and you know, it could have a little bit more colorful, but you know, I have the green season, so all the food is ready. And I'm gonna add in potato salad and the raw vegetable. So before we leave out, me and Jess are gonna eat, and then we just start the journey. Right. I think that's enough. You want more potato salad, Will? No. Okay. I'm gonna add some raw veg now. So if you're gonna host, you know, say, everybody have to get them food. So this is how everything is looking, scrumptious and nice. Ooh, this is my plate, Jason's plate. Him have him sauce, so he can add sauce to it. And well, the curry gravy is enough still, but yeah, everybody get them little food. Hey, me's a proper chef, you know. I need to open my restaurant. Oh my god. Oh wait, that one you're not getting a raw veg. Alright. Lord, as we're about to eat this meal, I pray that you'll help it to be nourishing to our bodies. Amen.
Amen. Tasty beef, because I display that thing now. It's good.
Why you don't frighten me? Lucy and Lovell brought dinner for us. Me never get a chance for showing her that, but when we go into the kitchen, me will show her. So we'll have that for eat tomorrow. We get fish, jerk pork, fried chicken, potato salad. Them put them foot in the food. The food tastes really good. Plus, me did I eat out some. So, me know so me not going to eat off my food. Maybe eat off film food. Come in, you didn't eat on my food, didn't carry?
Just a piece of chicken. When you want a pork, man.
You want some of my pork?
Have a clue.
Go for
No, there, charge.
And the potato salad tastes good. Tastes like sweet potato.
Yeah, that's a piece this.
No, I ate that good.
Mm.
Taste the potato salad, babe?
Yeah, so touch my finger, come and taste piece, eh?
The potato salad,
Tastes good,
nice.
man. Most of them potato salads have been egg.
Egg?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. It don't taste like no egg in there. I don't take no egg in there.
But it tastes good.
Mm-hmm. Just really nice.
Mm-hmm.
Come on top, babe.
More. I put man, but
Take over there. Now put it in the fridge. You know, we feel like when they don't eat, you're lazy, we have food them to drop off.
you're supposed to be there?